Want to speak 1,000 sentences with 100 patterns in 50 days? Follow me now. Pattern number 7. There must be plus a noun. There must be a clue. There must be something wrong. There must be some mistake. There must be something fun. There must be a way. There must be something in the water. There must be a reason. There must be a solution. There must be a misunderstanding. There must be a seed. Pattern number 8. It's time to plus a verb. It's time to sleep. It's time to work. It's time to clean up. It's time to leave. It's time to study. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to rise and shine. It's time to decide what to do. It's time to ask for a raise. And that's it for day 4. Now if you learn 80 sentences out of 1,000 sentences, how do you feel? Are you happy? Try to get some more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more free lessons like this. Until next time, peace.